Bloomberg Audio Studios. Podcasts, radio, news.
The Stock Movers Report, your roundup of companies making moves in the stock market, harnessing the power of Bloomberg data.
Let's take a look at some stocks on the move today. I'm Tim Stenovec with Isabel Lee, and we're joined by Bloomberg News equities reporter Alexandra Semenova. Alex, what is moving?
Yeah, so I'm looking at Nvidia and AMD. They agreed to pay 15% of their revenues from Chinese AI chip sales to the U.S. government. This is a really unusual deal that threatens to set a precedent for how American companies do business in China. For Nvidia, that share will come from sales of its H20 AI accelerator in China. President Donald Trump said this to reporters earlier today. And for AMD, it will deliver the same share of sales from its MI308 chip. This is according to what sources were telling Bloomberg. Trump said that he originally told Nvidia that it would be 20%, but he negotiated a little deal. Those are his words, not mine. And the arrangement reflects his efforts to engineer a financial payout for America consistently over and over. We've seen that he's been open to negotiations as long as it favors, the U.S.
What about GM? What's going on there?
Yeah, so GM is actually bringing back some of its former employees from its defunct Cruise autonomous vehicle effort. They're trying to develop a new driverless car, but right now they will actually focus on personal cars versus robotaxis. The plan was detailed to employees in a meeting on August 6th by Sterling Anderson. This is the former Tesla autopilot chief who joined GM earlier this year. I'm kind of excited about this one, guys, because I don't know how to drive a car.
You're such a New Yorker.
I'm such a New Yorker, so I'm very eager
you could
to have
live here
driverless
in
vehicles.
London. I don't know where else you could live.
Yeah,
definitely
there
nowhere
are
else
very
in the
few
US.
places in the U.S.
Yeah.
where I can live without a car.
I don't have a good segue here. Maybe self-driving cars good for people who use cannabis.
Yeah, that was perfect, Tim.
Cannabis-linked companies.
Yeah, cannabis-linked companies are on a tear today. This is after President Trump said that he was considering reclassifying marijuana as a less dangerous drug, giving the sector a much-needed boost. If you look at some of the companies in the sector, Village Farms International, this is a greenhouse production firm, up as much as 42%, maybe even more right now. I haven't checked. Tilray Brands, Canopy Growth, Aurora Cannabis, all of these stocks soaring double digits. The Wall Street Journal actually first reported on Friday that Trump spoke to cannabis reclassification in a private fundraising event. Cannabis is actually currently labeled as a Schedule I drug, so it's in the same category as things like heroin and LSD, and they just want to make it less serious.
The Stock Movers Report from Bloomberg Radio. Check back with us throughout the day for the latest roundup of companies making news on Wall Street. And for the latest market-moving headlines, listen to Bloomberg Radio live. Catch us on YouTube, Bloomberg.com, and on Apple CarPlay and Android Auto with the Bloomberg Business app.